Welcome back. So this is going to be for studio number 2, and it's going to be to prepare your stencils. And I will run through everything you're going to need. You're going to need, I had to write this down, scissors, tape. So I have my scissors, my tape. You're going to need something to draw with. You're going to need an old box with thin cardboard, and I happen to have this since I made a cake this weekend. And you're going to need an idea of a shape. So I'm going to use this for this demonstration, but it can be anything. You can use any shape that you like, but it just can't be circle, square, triangle, or any geometric shape. I want it to be an organic shape so that it's a little more creative and original. So the first thing you're going to need to do is prepare your material. So deconstruct the box, lay it out flat, and you're going to cut that into 3 squares or rectangles, roughly the size of anything bigger than a Post-it note, let's say. So I have 1, 2, and I have this one, 3. And you can tell what that one was with. All right, so that I'm just going through the whole process, I'm going to not ask you to watch me to make 3 squares, but you can do that by cutting it. And as you can see, you could use the existing folds to help you with your cutting, and it doesn't have to be a perfect square. So the next thing you're going to do is draw your shape, small, medium, and large. And I just want to show you, this is one. This is going to be probably my large, or maybe my medium, I'm not sure. But this one is one of my other ones that I've already drawn, and I cut it out. Here's where the tape comes in. I want to tape on the shiny side of I'm going to put this down, the shiny side of my material, just so that I am creating the stencil. Whoop. So you have a positive and a negative shape. Now you have 2 stencils, positive and negative. And I'm not really getting into right now, well, I'll show you quickly, but we're going to practice using these later in the week. But right now we're just asking you to prepare those stencils, because I know it's going to take some time to do that, and that's part of the process, is preparing your own stencils. So one way we can use them is, especially with the shiny side, you can use paint, and you can get good at putting in painting from the outside in. And if you feel like it, if you have the time, you can go ahead. But this is really going to be where we're working on Thursday and Friday. And we're not necessarily working with composition this week. We're just working with the idea of planning and preparing and practicing and just exploring what you can do with it. And here's another one. I'm going to do it this way, starting from the inside, working out from my stencil, moving my hand. We need more paint. There we go. Kind of using a more dry brush than a really wet brush for this. And I think that will produce better results. Oh, it stuck to my finger. How handy. So there you go. There is a positive and negative stencil of my small shape. So that's all for today, and well, Monday and Tuesday, and Wednesday I have something else.